Cut the cardboard into slices. Now we draw a circle on the cardboard. This way we will make a total of 8 circles. We press the cardboard with an iron pipe. Now we cut out the circles with scissors. We hammer a little more. We attach the grinding disc from both sides and connect it in a vise and drill a hole. Now we will glue all the wheels. Attach to the angle grinder and sand the edges smooth. Apply sanding paste. The results are amazing.